Battle of the Bottlenecks is a large-scale comparison of pre-trained models across computer vision tasks. The primary purpose of this research is to find which pre-trained model excel in computer vision tasks. There have been a lot of issues around data diversity and also which model to choose when it comes to vision tasks. That is where this research has introduced a benchmark tool which is called as Battle of the Backbones. They have produced quite interesting results, especially in terms of CNN's lead with some SSL models close. Also, one of the great thing about this benchmark is that model performance might be predictable across the different tasks, and the tasks range from a lot of things. And if I go to this GitHub repo of this paper where they have actually implemented this, then you would see that there is image classification for Bob classification, and then they have this object detection and segmentation here, and they have a full repository. And then we have another one which is Bob OOD classification, which is out of distribution image classification task. And then similarly we have this again Bob OOD detection for the implementation of OOD task, and they have given all the installation steps, which is quite easy. All you need to do is to create a conda environment and then activate it. Okay, now coming back to the paper which I was discussing, it is a very good read, I must say. And if you want to read the whole paper, just click on the right hand side and download PDF and read it through. But let me give you a quick overview of this. So what happens is that to conduct a large scale evaluation of various pre-trained models, including CNN, as I said, SSL models, and also the vision language models, on a wide range of tasks to establish a hierarchy of model performance, and that is where this research shines. We already know that there have been a lot of pre-trained models available in the market that have created a decision-making bottleneck for those needing to deploy effective computer vision solutions across the tasks such as classification, detection, and segmentation. And I just showed you the task there. So that is where this research has introduced this BOB or Battle of Backbones. So this BOB or Battle of Backbones is a rigorous benchmarking process that tests the efficacy of a variety of pre-trained models across several computer vision tasks, providing a comparative analysis to guide the selection of backbones. Now, one of the best thing about this research is its performance. The performance across all of these tasks like classification, segmentation, etc. This performance across these tasks can be correlated. So that is where you can predict the model effectiveness, and that's a huge development. Also, there are multiple benchmarks and tasks such as ConfNet, DynoVit, and also the ClipFit base where these models and this research really excels. So pretty interesting read. I would drop the link to this paper and also the GitHub repo in video's description so that you can read along. I hope that you liked it. If you have any questions or thoughts, please put them in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.